This is the Inspector Line Load Simulator from Tasco. It is a complete outlet tester and also checks wiring all the way back to the panel. It tests for voltage drop under load so you can be sure there are no bad splices or loose connections and that the wire size is adequate for the length of run. New construction, remodel, or troubleshooting, this unit is a great way to show your customers what's going on behind the wall. It's simple to use. All you have to do is plug it in. The unit is set to default at a 15 amp load, which is appropriate for most non-commercial applications. The inspector is telling us we have 125 volts, true RMS. It's a 60 cycle line. Polarity is correct and we have a 3.2% voltage drop, 1.6 on the hot and 1.6% on the neutral. Loaded voltage is 121.1 with 0.09 ohms of ground impedance. If this was a commercial outlet, we would set the unit to a 20 amp load. As you can see, the voltage drop is now 4.3%, well under the 5% recommended by the National Electrical Code. Light load being added to the circuit? At a 10 amp load, we would only have a voltage drop of 2.1%. The inspector tests and trips GFCI outlets, as well as arc fault circuit interrupters. This is a great way to be sure the outlets you are testing are wired to the correct circuit breakers. The unit also features a secondary screen that measures common mode voltage and available fault currents. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to check not only your outlet, but the wiring all the way back to the panel. Assurance for both you and your customer of trouble-free electrical performance in real-life use. The Inspector Line Load Simulator from Tasco.